Tell me who you are and your experience with multi-radiance laser and how you got involved.
Hi, my name is Mindy Story. I'm from Fort Collins. I'm a surgeon as well as an equine sports medicine specialist. And I got involved with multi-radiance lasers through Dr. Yuki. She's a classmate of mine, and after my acupuncture training, there were just some horses that I felt needed some at-home care that I wasn't able to get there often enough, and the acupuncture with the laser therapy has really been beneficial for those horses.
Awesome. What is one of the most vital experiences that you've had with multi-radiance laser in your practice and given there was a challenge?
So there have been multiple cases along my years that I've been really pleased with multi-radiance, but one horse in particular stands out. He's a dressage horse, a big gelding, and he's very protective of his head and neck. And we felt like there was probably a pain component to it, but diagnostically we weren't able to find anything extraordinary that we could really treat. So he is so protective of his head and neck, I am not able to put in acupuncture needles on this horse, but he absolutely loves his laser therapy. His groom would send me videos of him treating his pole and upper cervical area with the laser. And this horse would lick and chew, and his eyes would get quiet, and he would tilt his head to get the laser in just the right spot. It's a striking change in this very painful protective horse.
How does that affect your being able to work with him in your practice and the field for getting out about?
So with that horse in particular, he has learned to trust me. He has learned that what we're doing is trying to help him, and he's feeling better, and he's getting pain relief. And so when we can give the horses pain relief, and they understand that we're there to be helpful for them, then we can just do even more with them. The training can progress at a better level, and we can do more from our medical perspective as well.
If you were talking to another vet, what would be the one thing that you would share with them about how multi-radiance lasers has made a difference in your practice?
When I'm talking to other veterinarians about multi-radiance, there are so many positives. The company in general has been extremely easy to work with. When I've just had a quick maintenance issue, I have had great repairs, great work with the company in general, and I think that's a big thing for veterinarians. We need to have a company that we can work with and have confidence that everything's going to be okay. And multi-radiance has been great with that. I love their product. I have multiple lasers myself, and I love being able to feel that it's safe and effective at the same time, so I can have it in the barns, in the trainer's hands, following up my care. Also, which is really important, I think, for our veterinarians. We're all very busy. We can't get out to these barns every day or every other day to treat the horses. And for effective laser therapy, I think that's important. So it's just a great combination of lots of things through multi-radiance that I've been happy with.
Great. When it comes to new product and you get a new laser in your hand, do you look to Dr. Yuki for training, and how has she had an influence on your use of lasers?
When I have a new laser or just a question about my old lasers, Dr. Yuki has been amazing. I'm always emailing her, texting her. I stop by a booth at a show like this just to say hi and see what's going on, and are there new protocols or new education materials that I should know about. And she always has something new to share with me and is quick to email it off or give me information packets so that I can then give that to my owners and trainers. So we're all well educated every step of the way.
Is there anything else you'd like to share about your experience with us?
It's just been very positive. My experience has been very positive with multi-radiance for more years than I can count, actually. And I've had one of my lasers for, I don't know, probably 10, 12 years, and it's still going. And I've had multiple new ones along the way since then. So everything's been spectacular.
One last question for you that's kind of unusual. Tell me, have you had and used the laser for yourself other than the horses?
So I have used the laser myself. I use it every night, actually. I used it. My knees have been very painful, and there was a time when I couldn't really function in my job very well. My knees were so painful, and I started lasering myself every night, and it's been amazing. I don't have to laser myself every night anymore because I'm all better, but it's been great, yes. So I actually use it on myself all the time.
Now, did you use the same protocols you use on the horse's joints as yourself?
So when I am using it on myself, I use the companion settings versus the horse settings. I figure I'm more the size of a dog than a horse. So I use the companion settings on myself.
Well, that's good advice for vets out there that turn the lasers on themselves as opposed to using them for their clients.
Right. I never tried to promote that necessarily, but I'm sure we all use it on ourselves. And so, yeah, I use the companion setting.
Great. Thank you so much, Mindy. Really appreciate you stopping by the booth today.
Thank you.